So for the rest of Chapter 9, we're really going to be talking about the physical properties of solutions. So I'm on page 19, and I've got these concentrations. I've got, that's methanol, CH3OH, 1 mole per liter. If I were to think about the solute particles, I'd say, well, there's 1 mole per liter. And you're thinking, so what? Well, here's vitamin C, 1.60 moles per liter. I have 1.60 moles per liter of particles in solution. Ammonia, it's a teeny bit of a fib, but it's pretty good. Ammonia, that's 0.50 moles per liter. I've got 0.50 moles per liter in solution. And you think, okay, Wallace, I don't know what you're doing. You're just saying, yeah, there's the concentration, and you're writing down the concentration over here without really thinking about what the particles are. You're just saying, well, yeah, it was 1 mole, 1.6, 0.5 moles per liter. So what? So lithium chloride, 1 mole per liter. When I look at the particles in solution, of course, I have 2. Well, wait a minute. Okay. Potassium sulfate, 1 mole per liter. Well, it's got to be just 1. All right, well, what about this sodium phosphate, 0.2 moles per liter? It's just got to be 0.2. And it's 0.80. So what's going on with those things? Well, let's go back and think about this. When I put this CH3OH in water, it dissolves. It dissolves really nicely. When I put sugar in water, we know C6H8O6 aqueous. When I put lithium chloride in water, I get lithium ion aqueous plus chloride ion aqueous. Notice what I'm getting. I'm getting like 2 for 1. Stop the video and figure out how sodium phosphate would break up compared to those numbers. All right, you did it, right? You said, oh, I remember from chapter 3 and chapter 5, this would be 3 sodium ions plus 1 phosphate ion. I'm getting 4 for 1. Well, these are electrolytes. Strong electrolytes, in fact. But what strong electrolytes do, or what all electrolytes do, first of all, they dissolve in water. But they break up into ions. Break up into ions. Now, this means a couple of things. The concentration of the ions, the moles per liter of ions, is greater than what's on the label. In other words, I had lithium chloride, 1 mole per liter, but the concentration of ions was actually 2. And so what's really in the bottle, the concentration of the stuff that's interesting to us, concentration really equals the concentration of the ions. And this is, again, I just want to remind us, we're talking about electrolytes. So electrolytes. Now, there's another really important property of electrolytes, but I'm going to have you stop right here. I've got these 2 videos in the Canvas assignment, so watch those, and then we'll come back and pick up page 19 at the beginning of page 20.